Hi, welcome to Tamanna's kitchen. Today I'm going to make Mishti doi, which is a Bengali sweet. The ingredients are 3 tablespoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons curd, and 1 liter of full fat milk. Basically, Mishti doi is made out of boiling milk till the milk is reduced to half and it thickens. So meanwhile, I've taken about 3 tablespoons of sugar, where to the milk I'm going to add only 2 tablespoons, stirring continuously until it reduces to half of it, half of the milk. That's about, it should come about 500 ml. I've always wondered how they get the color of that mishti dough. It's so simple. Now 1 tablespoon of sugar is remaining. Now we are going to caramelize it in a low flame. Now add the sugar into a pan. The milk is between boiling. I'm adding the sugar. Keep the pan in low flame. Make sure that it doesn't burn. Now to this I'm adding some water. Not too much. Just a splash of water. And just this. Now let this boil in slow flame. Keep stirring. Yes, this is the color I've been waiting for. Now I'm going to transfer it in the milk. As you see, the milk is also reduced to half. Now at this stage, I'm transferring the sugar. I've taken 2 tablespoons of curd. This is home set curd. I set it at home. Now if you don't have a home set curd, you can use the curd from the store. Just make sure that the curd is not sour, and use a thick curd if you're getting from outside. As you can see, the milk has reduced now to half of its portion. So I'm going to switch off the flame. Let this cool down and come to room temperature. After it comes to room temperature, I'm going to add the curd. The milk has come to room temperature. Now I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of curd into it. Now stir it well and give a mix. Stir it vigorously. You can see the froth. I will mix the curd well. Now I am going to transfer this into matka cups. I have chosen matka cups because they absorb excess water and your mishti dough is rich and creamy. Now set this about 14 hours in a warm place. Usually kitchen is warm when compared to other rooms in our house. Keep it in the corner and cover it with a cloth. Make sure nobody touches it or opens the cloth before 14 hours so that it sets well. Now it's been more than 30 hours. Now the mishti dough is set. I'm going to refrigerate it for 2 hours before serving. It's time to eat the mishti dough. Wow. See how creamy it is. Sits so well. Thank you. Like, share and subscribe to Tamanna's Kitchen. Bye.